Be ready? Start. Mr. Chairman, I am placing on the table of the House a notification which makes applicable to the Life Insurance Corporation certain provisions of the Insurance Act stop. The House will recall that Section 43 of the Life Insurance Corporation Act lays down that these provisions would be made applicable to the Life Insurance Corporation subject to such conditions and modifications as may be specified in the notification stop. The notification is in pursuance of this requirement stop stanza. One of the sections which the notification deals with is Section 27 of the Insurance Act stop. It is by now common knowledge that this section defines in fairly precise terms the ambit within which an insurer could operate in the matter of investments stop. By making it applicable to the Life Insurance Corporation, government is laying down the framework within which the Life Insurance Corporation can similarly operate stop. In short, this modified section contains by and large the investment policy which the Life Insurance Corporation will follow stop stanza. There are good reasons as to why the salutary provisions of Section 27 should be retained. Both the freedom given and the restrictions imposed by it have stood the test of time stop. While ensuring the safety of the policy holders' money, the possibility of augmenting profits has also been afforded stop. For this reason, Section 27 has proved satisfactory both to the insurers and the policyholders stop. We therefore have followed these principles subject only to such changes as have become necessary owing to the fact that investments which were previously spread over 240 odd companies are now held by one single corporation stop. I may add that in coming to our decision, we have consulted both the corporation and the Reserve Bank of India stop stanza. Under the scheme referred to the investments of stop over. Dictation from Kailash Chandra 300 words at the speed 110 WPM.